Hello again to all Katodong. Today we have a rescue unit Kia Sorento. The automatic transmission was stock up from neutral position even if you shift to drive, reverse and parking position. The indicator still on neutral position and the car won't be running. So I decided to remove the shifting transmission cover and we found out the problem: the shift cable was removed in a lever position. And then we tried to repair the removed cable from the level and put some screws. Finally the shifting indicator on that dashboard is working properly and the car is already running in good condition. Please follow and share more videos about your car maintenance.